Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know it's been a while, okay? But due to COVID-19, I have nothing but time now, so I do plan to film more content. Now, as you all know, I started out this channel, I built this channel based upon me being a makeup artist. But since then, it's been a couple of years now, I have been licensed and I work as a cosmetologist. But many of you may not know this, but I am also a registered nurse. I've been a registered nurse for 17 years. So I wear many hats. So I decided to basically expand this channel a little bit, give you guys more versed content of things that I definitely know outside of makeup, okay? So basically, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. And also, if this information interests you, or maybe you know someone it may interest, if you could share this out to your friends, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, you can always hit that little bell in one of these corners, and it will let you know, it will notify you when I upload a post. So today I want to talk to you about IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome. A lot of people suffer with it and do not know it. It can come in different forms. You can have IBS-C, which is for constipation, or you can have the form that gives you the form of diarrhea. Now, the reason I'm talking about this is because I've suffered with this for many years. I've gone to a GI doctor. They've put me on all kinds of expensive medications that either cramp me or give me really severe diarrhea, or it's just something extremely uncomfortable. I've tried the Miralax. I've tried the regular Detox laxatives. I've tried so much, y'all, and I'm seriously have been miserable for years. Another thing about IBS, it gives you the appearance of a much larger stomach than what you have because you're constantly bloated, you're constantly gassy, everything makes you bloated, everything makes you gassy, and you're just really uncomfortable. It's basically your food is just sitting there. You can eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and don't eliminate. So I could literally go like a week without eliminating, and that was perfectly normal for me, which is completely abnormal for the body. So long story short, I'll say all that to say this. I went to a class one day, and this young lady was selling some tea. And I know y'all have heard about these teas everywhere, and you probably were like me, just kind of looked at it and you go, that's another one of those schemes. Well, something led me to actually try the tea. So my friend and I actually bought some and we tried it. Lo and behold, y'all, this tea works. Did you hear what I said? This tea works, okay? I have been using this tea for 3 weeks, y'all, and I've used the bathroom multiple times every day. And I have not felt so good in so long. I don't have those toxic headaches that I was having. I don't have the gassiness. I wake up in the morning, I eliminate. I feel just refreshed. I feel healthier. I feel lighter. I don't feel like I'm walking around full all day. Some days I'd be so full I didn't want to eat. I don't have that discomfort anymore. So without further ado, let me introduce you to these products. So the product I was using is the Iaso tea. I know you've seen this bag. I know you've seen everybody talk about it, but I want to talk to you about it from a different perspective. This tea actually works for people like myself who were suffering with illnesses such as IBS. I can tell you this tea detoxes you to the core. It has caused me to want to drink more water. I drink water all day now. It has also it's curbed my cravings for sweets. I don't have sweet cravings as bad. And I'm sleeping better. I mean, it's just doing everything for me. This is so much cheaper than the medication that my GI doctor had me on. And the best thing about it is all natural. We don't know what's in that medication that our doctors give us. This is all natural, okay? This tea works. And basically how it works, you have 2 options. You can buy what we call the sachets, which is the instant tea. And you can take one of these and drop it in a bottle of water, shake it up, and drink it twice a day, okay? This goes in a regular bottle of water, 16.9 ounces, which is your normal regular bottle of water. And you shake it up, you take it 30 minutes prior to eating, and you take it 30 minutes prior to eating dinner. You do it twice a day. Y'all, this works. After you get it in your system, you can go down to 1 a day. I'm telling you, this works. We also have the kind where you can brew it. You can actually, if you prefer the tea bags, you can also buy the 5-pack of tea bags, which will last you for each pack will last you for a week. So if you buy the 5-pack, it'll last you for 5 weeks, okay? But the only difference is this is the instant, the other one you actually brew it. We have 2 more types of teas. We also have this one, which is the raspberry lemonade. However, this one has CBD in it. As you can see here, it says 0 THC. So it doesn't have the psychotropic component that you can get high off of, but it does give you all of the benefits of CBD, such as pain relief and the calmness to help you sleep and just feel better throughout the day and keep you calm. If you suffer from anxiety, especially with all the COVID-19 stuff that's going on right now, I highly recommend this tea. This tea will keep you calm. It will keep you just level without giving you that loopiness and that psychotropic feeling from the actual THC. And because of that 0 THC, you will not test positive on a drug screen because, again, what they're testing for is THC. This does not have THC in it, okay? The other type that we have is the lemonade. It's similar to this one. I don't have that one. It's similar to this one. Now, the lemon one does have THC in it, but it only has 0.3% of THC, which still is not enough to test positive on a drug screen, and it doesn't make you high. It's not enough to get you high or anything like that, but it does give you some of the benefits of the THC without showing up on a drug screen. Now with this one, you only take this one 5 days in a row, and then you take a break for 2 days. For this one, you could take it every day. This one, well, both teas actually, you'll lose up to 5 pounds in 5 days. These teas are phenomenal. Another product that I've been taking from the company is the NutriBurst. Y'all, oh, it's dripping. Where is it leaking from? Oops. This NutriBurst is absolutely amazing. This is the multivitamin from the company. This multivitamin, y'all, is jam-packed with nutrients. This is actually a liquid multivitamin. This is a 16-ounce container. It will last you an entire month. You only take 1 tablespoon per day. But now the main thing I want you to know about this NutriBurst, it does what it says. NutriBurst. It gives you a burst of energy because it's loaded with nutrients. You get 72 minerals, 12 vitamins, 22 phytonutrients, 18 amino acids, and 18 vegetables. This is the equivalent of eating 10 salads. 1 tablespoon is the equivalent of eating 10 salads. This is the only multivitamin that you'll need. This multivitamin is amazing. If you're like me and most African Americans, you have a vitamin D deficiency, this right here gets you right. Now, if you are on an extremely high dose of vitamin D, such as like a 50,000 micrograms or something like that, you may still need to take it. But just a regular supplemental vitamin D, this will definitely do the job. Okay, so I can't speak highly enough about these products, y'all. My stomach has really gone down. I've lost 5 pounds. I weighed myself this morning. I've lost 5 pounds already, and most of it has come from my stomach. I don't look skinny because I'm a small girl. I only weigh like 130 pounds, but that 5 pounds look amazing on me because most of it was in my stomach area. And that has gone down tremendously. So I'm going to continue to use these products, and I definitely urge you to use these products, especially if you suffer from IBS. These products work. Like, take it from me. I've suffered from years. I've been on Linzess. I was on the older drug. I forget what it was called. The older drug. They eventually took it off the market. I've been on every drug for IBS, every single drug. And I'm happy to have found this gentle detox tea that is all natural and works. So I'm going to put the links down below so you can order your tea. And also, if you order the tea, or even if you don't order the tea and you just kind of trust me and you believe in it, if you want to start to sell this tea and become a distributor like myself, it is a great opportunity to make some extra money. Not only are you making extra money, but you're also helping people to get healthy. You're telling your story and you're helping people to get healthy. Once they purchase the products, you of course make money. It's just a great, win-win situation. They are getting quality products and you are getting some income. Now, one thing I did need to tell you that I forgot to tell you guys, These products are backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's how much I believe in the products, but most of all, that's how much the company believes in the products. They're giving you 30 days to decide if you like the product and if it works for you. So if someone's guaranteeing your money back, you can best believe these products will work. Nobody wants to lose money, right? So you can best believe these products work. Now, one more thing I want to tell you about this CBD. It is a broad spectrum hemp extract. So it's no junk in here, okay? This is the good stuff. This is organic, broad spectrum hemp. You get 100 milligrams of it, okay? This is some good stuff, all right? Now, when you go to order the CBD, you get 25 sachets. However, with the regular, you get 50 sachets. Obviously, the CBD is a little bit stronger, and remember, you're only doing it 5 days in a row, once a day. Whereas the regular, the instant tea, you're doing it twice a day, every day. So, of course, you get twice as much, okay? So I'm going to put those links down below, and I really hope this helps somebody. Please leave a comment down below if you do plan to try these products. And leave a comment down below when you receive your products. Tell me how you like the products. Whatever questions you have about them, please be sure to leave a comment down below so I can keep in touch with you and everything. But I really urge you to try these products, especially if you suffer from IBS. It was the best thing that happened, I promise you. So I'll keep in touch, and I'll do some more videos, especially now that we are quarantined in this house. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this video. It really might help and inspire someone. And once again, thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.